The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Infrastructure. Develop and modernize the national infrastructure to improve the quality of life for all citizens.
Designing, constructing, completing, furnishing, providing medical equipment to and operational maintenance of the new maternity hospital. New maternity hospital located in Al Sabah sanitary area at the capital governorate. The building will be an architectural model for a specialized medical hospital with all its facilities related to diagnosis and treatment of gynecological and obstetrics cases. The total area of the project is approximately 54,000 square meters and the building area is approximately 35,000 square meters. The project contains the main hospital building, outpatient building, parking and protection from sea hand by having 3 bridges linking the new and old buildings, central services station. The project includes a state-of-the-art medical unit for the care of preterm infants, including 780 beds, 27 operating rooms, and 60 maternity rooms. The project consists of 3 towers, including the main building, which contains a basement, 18 floors above the ground level, resident rooms, and outpatient clinics, and a parking building for 1,500 cars. The construction project sector in the Ministry of Public Works is responsible for designing, constructing, completing, furnishing, providing medical equipment, and operational maintenance of the new maternity hospital. Completion percentage of the new maternity hospital project is at 5%. The cost of the project is 220 million Kuwaiti dinars.
The Kuwait Cancer Center is a newly proposed state-of-the-art medical facility catering to cancer diagnosis and treatment. Located in Al Sabah Medical District in Kuwait City, this iconic landmark is said to become one of the largest cancer treatment centers in the world. And as social media responses toward Kuwait Cancer Center, please let's read together up on the screen. Ghali Dhifiri said, Al Sabah Hospital and Kuwait Cancer Center project in Kuwait. And from Gulf Development account, it's one of the best health centers specializing in cancer treatment, is located in the Sabah area, and it will be a great addition to the service in health in Kuwait, and it's expected to be completed by the Ministry of Health in 2018 at a total cost of about 175 million dinars. And from Mashroua Kuwaiti account, Kuwait Cancer Center is a new hospital being implemented and one of the world's largest cancer treatment centers and completed in 2018. And from Ministry of Health media account, total number of the beds in the Kuwait Cancer Center development to 1,282 beds. Here George said professional treatment for cancer, and Mohammed Ghanem said professional healthcare providers. And in the end, from New Kuwait government account, the future of healthcare in Kuwait.
As the sunset came to meet the evening of the hill, the calm prevailed and the streets were empty, with voices barely heard. Policemen, the watchful eyes on the homeland, work in this exceptional moment to monitor the movements on the ground.
They are only concerned with your protection. We realize that the quarantine is tiring for some people, but we wish them to cooperate with us.
Kuwait is in safe hands as long as there are men who detected all their efforts, forget all hardship, and spend their time away from their families.
We did not enter the college and become in the police force except for the protection of citizens and residents. As long as we serve the country, there will be no tiring or boredom.
from one area to another. They spread like a beehive, working around the clock without getting bored to serve our beloved Kuwait. Faza for Kuwait continues in all governorates, responding to the call to help needy families in the state, in a scene that confirms the continuation of the charitable work ingrained in the people of Kuwait, which appeared in the coronavirus.
The Ministry of Social Affairs, in coordination with the charitable bodies, took initiative as a basic element that helps the state, the private sector, and cooperative societies on the corona crisis. A control mechanism was established to ensure that every dinar will be entered and exited through the regulations.
A new station for charitable work in light of the crisis of COVID-19 launched by Salam Association through the distribution of protective baskets and food. National charitable efforts are continuing by providing support to poor families.